With blockchain being one of the oldest and most trusted wallets available, you'd assume that you can easily withdraw your funds. However, unfortunately, this doesn't seem to be the case at this time. The blockchain wallet used to have a buy and sell section on the left here, which has now been mysteriously replaced with just buy crypto. So how can you sell your crypto with blockchain? Well, if we take a look at the help here, you'll see that they're currently working hard to bring sell to their users. Even though they had it there before, and now that they've released their exchange, it's no longer available. It sounds a little bit like a ploy to move their users across to me. But anyway, their exchange is nice and easy to use, and if you've not used it before, I've created a full beginner's guide, which I'll pop in the summary below. But for those of you who haven't connected the blockchain.com wallet across with your blockchain exchange, what I'll do is I'll show you how to do that now. So if we go ahead and create a new account within the blockchain exchange, and you'll be prompted to enter an email address and a password. And you'll then be prompted to connect your wallet. And one thing to mention is that connecting your blockchain wallet is only possible during sign up, and you won't be able to do this later. Also, you will need to be gold level verified to deposit and withdraw fiat from the exchange, which just means submitting your government issued ID on top of the silver level verification requirements. So let's go ahead and connect up our blockchain wallet. And you can do this by scanning across a QR code or signing into your wallet. And as you can see, it's now come up with a success that you've connected your blockchain wallet to your exchange, and you can go back and finish signing up. So now we've successfully connected those two. So as you can see, it's a really simple process to do. And you'll then be prompted to enter in a username. If I just click on to continue, and then I can start trading. And the first thing you'll need to do is deposit some crypto that you can sell. So if we click on to deposit now in the top right hand corner, and if you haven't already done so, you'll need to enable two-factor authentication at this stage. And then you want to confirm what type of currency you're actually going to be sending across to the exchange. And that could be the likes of Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Stellar or Litecoin. And in this example, I'm going to be sending across Bitcoin, which I'm going to be depositing from my blockchain.com wallet. You'll be prompted to log in. And a Send Bitcoin screen should then automatically prompt. However, if for any reason it doesn't, you can click on to Send. Then from the To field, you can select Exchange Bitcoin Address. You then want to put in the amount that you want to send across. And I'm going to send across $15 of Bitcoin. And you'll see that there is a fee associated, which you are charged, but you can select from either regular or priority. It then states the amount of time it thinks it will take to actually go across, and then you can click on to continue. It will then show you a confirmation, and you can click on to Send Bitcoin. Then once you have some Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other crypto to sell, you can go ahead and trade into your chosen currency. So from the top here, by clicking on the plus, you can choose your pairing. So in this example, I've got Bitcoin and I want to exchange it to GBP. But maybe you've got Bitcoin and you want to exchange it for euros or dollars. They're also available from this drop down too. But for the moment, like I said, I'm going to be selling out to GBP. So once you've selected your trading pair, what we're going to do is go across to the right and click on to sell. And you then want to type in the amount of Bitcoin that you want to sell. Or you can take from what is available to trade, which will be your entire balance. And then if you click onto that link, it will automatically fill in the amount field. However, I'm going to be selling about £10 in Bitcoin, so what I'm going to do is type that in. And once you've typed that in, it's then going to give you an estimated total in here as well. So you can see it's about £10 there. And then you have your order types. So you have an option of a market, a limit, a stop, and a stop limit order. And I've got separate tutorials with explanations of all of these, which again I'll pop in the summary below. But for the purposes of this beginner's guide, I'm going to keep it simple and sell with a market order. And this means I'm going to sell at whatever the current market price is. And there are different fees associated to different types of orders too, and how much you're actually trading with. In this example, I'm a taker of the market, and therefore I'm going to be charged 0.24% for my trade. Then once you're ready for that to go ahead, click on to Place Bitcoin Order. It'll then come up with a confirmation and you can submit your order. Again, it's showing you that confirmation of that fee too. Now with a market order, it automatically places and it goes through instantly. So if I now click onto my username and click on the little down arrow and go to history, I can now view information in relation to that order. So it'll give me the amount that I sold, it'll tell me the fill price, how much of a fee I was charged, and then the date and time of that order. If I now go back over to my username, and if I go to portfolio, you can see from my portfolio, under the British pounds, I have the option to withdraw because I have an active balance. So if I click onto that, it'll then ask me what I want to withdraw. So if I click on the drop down, and if I select British pounds, and as I said, you will need to be gold level verified to be able to withdraw GBP. And if you don't already have a linked bank account, it'll also ask you to make a small deposit so that they can link your bank account. And when I deposited my funds across from my bank account, it came through instantly. Just ensure that the name that you have on your blockchain exchange matches the name on your bank account so that they can match the two together. Now, in terms of withdrawal fees, your transaction automatically includes a network fee to get your withdrawal confirmed in a timely manner. So you'll then be asked how much you'd like to withdraw, and I'm going to withdraw £10. And you'll also be asked to enter in your two-factor authentication code. Then you can go ahead and withdraw. So as you can see, it states that your withdrawal is being processed. It might take up to 5 business days to reach your bank account. However, I've just received a notification on my phone saying that I've just received £10 into my bank. So that's how you can sell your crypto and withdraw your chosen currency to your bank account. In my personal opinion, I prefer selling with Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. The reason why that is that when you are sending your funds across from Coinbase to Coinbase Pro instantly, also you're not charged any fees in sending your funds across. However, with blockchain, you're obviously charged a fee, and it's taken a long time for my funds to actually reach blockchain exchange.